Hello, and welcome to a refreshing take on managing type 2 diabetes with one of nature's simplest but most powerful resources, water. While medication and diet often take center stage in diabetes management, staying hydrated plays a critical yet sometimes overlooked role. Let's dive into how water can be a key ally in your journey with type 2 diabetes. Hydration helps control blood sugar levels. First things first, water doesn't contain glucose. This might seem obvious, but it's a significant fact for anyone monitoring their blood sugar levels. Drinking water provides a way to stay hydrated without affecting your blood sugar. More importantly, adequate water intake helps the kidneys flush out the excess blood sugar through urine. When you're dehydrated, your blood sugar concentrations can rise due to the reduced kidney function, exacerbating diabetes symptoms. Staying well hydrated is a simple but effective way to help manage your diabetes. 2. Water and calorie control. For many managing type 2 diabetes, weight control is a vital part of lifestyle adjustments that accompany the diagnosis. Water is not only free of calories, it can also help you feel full without the need to consume high-calorie foods or beverages. Replacing sugary drinks like sodas and juices with water cuts a significant amount of daily calorie intake, which can help with weight management, a crucial element in controlling type 2 diabetes. Impact on insulin sensitivity. Dehydration can negatively impact your insulin sensitivity. When your body is dehydrated, it isn't as efficient at using insulin. Insulin helps your cells absorb sugars and use them for energy, preventing sugar from building up in your bloodstream. By drinking enough water, you help your body maintain its insulin sensitivity, ensuring that your cellular function is not only efficient but also effective in managing your blood glucose levels. 4. Reduces risk of diabetes-related complications. Staying hydrated helps reduce the risk of complications often associated with diabetes, such as urinary tract infections, UTIs, and kidney stones. People with diabetes are more susceptible to these conditions, and proper hydration can help reduce these risks. Adequate water intake ensures that your kidneys function optimally, helping to prevent the buildup of wastes and acids in the body and providing a boost to your overall health. Tips for staying hydrated. Here are some practical tips to increase your water intake. Set a daily goal. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, more if you are active or it's a hot day. Keep a water bottle handy. Having a water bottle at your desk, in your bag, or in the car can remind you to sip throughout the day. Infuse your water. If plain water doesn't excite you, try adding slices of fruits like lemon, lime, or cucumber for a refreshing taste without the added sugars. Drink water before meals. This not only helps with hydration but can also prevent overeating by making you feel fuller. While water might seem like a simple element, its impact on managing type 2 diabetes is profound. From helping control blood sugar levels to aiding in weight management and boosting insulin sensitivity, water is an invaluable tool in your diabetes management toolbox. Remember, the key to benefiting from water's potential is consistency, so keep your water bottle close by and stay hydrated. Stay healthy and hydrated, and always consult your healthcare provider for personalized medical advice and guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more health tips. See you in the next video.